is our live chakra attunement, and it is the 16th of August 2025, and we are breathing in and breathing out. So just focusing on the breath for the first few moments, shaking the shoulders out, shake the arms, the hands off, and just even pick up the feet and do the same with the feet, just kind of shaking off the day so far. And allowing yourself, with the help of your breath, to just settle into a full present moment in your body. Straight spine, relaxed, but with a straight spine. So keeping that going, noticing what you notice. Breathing in, pausing, breathing out, pausing, breathing in, pausing, breathing out, pausing, and continuing a nice Samavriti breath, inward breath, helping you come fully present into the moment, outward breath, just letting go of everything else except the breath. You're being present, fully present in the moment with your bodies, etheric, physical, creating that container of light around the body, below the feet, above the head, in front of the body, behind the body, to the right and the left of the body. Breathing in and breathing out. And we'll start this morning with the prayer to Kuan Yin. Breathing in, breathing out. Dearest Lady Kuan Yin, I call on you to help me love and accept myself fully. I ask that you grant me a full measure of compassion for myself and for others, and I pray that those suffering in the world can see and feel your loving presence. I pray that the hardened hearts will melt in the presence of your compassionate understanding. I pray that the waters of grace and compassion that you pour on the earth will nourish the seeds of love and compassion in all hearts, creating gardens of beauty within all living beings. It is my intention to nourish the garden within myself through prayer, meditation, and right thinking. In my heart, my garden flourishes, spilling over and filling my world with the fragrance of the garden. Thank you, dear Lady Kuan Yin, for your presence in my life and in my world. And just reminding yourself of the power of compassion, compassion for your thoughts, compassion for yourself, compassion for each other and the world, breathing in and breathing out. Straight spine. Drop your attention to the root area of the body, the root chakra area, which is the tailbone area, the pelvis, going down the legs, down to the feet, and at the bottom of your feet, the sole of your feet in the center, there is secondary chakras connecting to the root. So imagine, as you're breathing in and out, that you're breathing energy up from the new healed whole Mother Earth at her core, and you're releasing back into the earth your fears, your lack of groundedness, to be transformed, to be transmutated. Breathing in, breathing out. So visualizing that red, really focusing on it as you breathe, and you imagine that you bring that red energy fully into your container of light in your auric field, concentrating it at the base. And with a low-toned Om, we exercise and wake it up, and the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra is LAM. Ready? Om. LAM. Om. LAM. Breathing in and breathing out. Feeling yourself settled, connected to the earth, fully supported by the new healed whole Mother Earth. visualizing that red. Let's do the root chakra. Ground yourself in spirit one more time. Ready? From here, we'll come up to the belly chakra. So a lot going on in the second chakra. This is a place where we create from. Your inspirations come from here, your inner child, the sexual center. So it's a very creative space. It's a space also where there's a lot of transformation. This is your intestines are in here, and they kind of bring through all of the material that you bring into your body. So on a physical level, this is where a lot of things are absorbed and discarded. And so it's kind of interesting to think of that on the physical level, that this is where the inspiration, creation chakra lives. And you want to keep things balanced and moving here, and you want to remind yourself to take things into your body and also to take things into your subtle bodies that are supportive and uplifting and strengthening of your spiritual nature, releasing all the things that don't support your spiritual path or your spiritual growth. So visualizing orange energy here at the navel area and spiraling it out hip to hip, kidney to kidney, the mid-lower back there. We'll tone Om, but in a sort of a medium tone, and then the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra is Vam. Vam. Orange, bring it through, feel it, visualize it, smell it, taste it, make it a part of your reality. Vam, vam. And a nice deep breath in, keeping that spine straight, opening up your solar plexus, the personal power chakra, sense of self-worth. Yellow for this energy. The one-syllable Sanskrit mantra is Ra, with an R, Ra, and it's a higher toned Om for the exercise. Ready? Om, Ra. And breathing in and breathing out. So you have your first three chakras here to ground you in this day, in this moment. You can kind of maybe march a little bit with your feet, feeling the bottom of your feet touching the floor, imagining it was the earth, the grass, the sand, the dirt, the rocks, just kind of really visualizing the last time that you were barefoot on the earth, and making a connection right now and a commitment to yourself that you'll get out there and get barefoot on the earth, maybe sometime today. Breathing in and breathing out. So the solar plexus, the higher toned Om, yellow, and Ra. Om, Ra. Breathing in, being aware of the chakras, the colors. Is it easy to notice them? Is it easy to breathe in and out with them? Coming from the yellow chakra, come up to your heart chakra, and this heart chakra is the green and also the bridge between those first three that deal with your kind of physical reality, feeling comfortable here and safe here, feeling inspired and creative, having that sense of self-worth and personal power. So now we come up to the heart. This is the bridge and opens up us to universal love, to just the energy vibration of love. This is green in color, so as you're breathing in and out, our exercise is a deep sigh. Ah, ah, ah. Yum. That's the one syllable Sanskrit mantra. Yum. Green energy again. Yum. Breathing in and out. You could even put the hands in prayer position or Anjali Mudra in front of the heart chakra, or rub the heart for a moment. Just staying in the heart, taking a moment to think of something that you love, a beautiful garden, your friends, your family, your favorite dog or cat or horse or pet. Just breathing in and feeling that for a moment, taking a moment to commune with love to those beings in your life that you feel super connected to. Ah, yum. Ah, yum. And once you feel that kind of radiating out, just sending that out into the world. The world always could use a little love. Ah, yum. So the green healing energy. Ah, yum. And now we're going to go to the throat chakra. So this is blue, the blue of the sky, the fifth chakra. This is where we communicate from. And we use the lion breath with the tone hum. So the paws flare up, the tongue comes out to the chin, the spine is nice and straight, and you're visualizing a perfect blue sky. Hum, 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 hum. Breathing in and out, feeling that vibration go through the throat and the body. The one syllable Sanskrit mantra for the throat chakra is also hum, H-U-M. We're going to chant it this time, so feeling the difference in chanting it. Hum, hum, hum. Good. Breathing in and breathing out. We can move from the blue chakra, the throat, the communication center. We'll come up to the sixth chakra, which is your third eye. This is the indigo, the deep sapphire. The one syllable Sanskrit mantra for this is Sham. And the exercise is a high-pitched I like to hold the palms up, so I turn my palms up, holding them up to receive at this point, and I take a moment, little time out with the sixth chakra, to be grateful. Noticing what you notice, noticing your thoughts this morning as you were moving around early in your day, getting up, getting going. If you're on the West Coast, in the East Coast, you're already more fully in the day, getting close to the afternoon, and just go over the thoughts that you noticed. Hopefully that you were staying conscious, watching your thoughts, paying attention, and noticing what you notice. So this is the moment we notice maybe how much we complained about something, or was irritable about something, or just drifted away from our tasks. When we come back to center with gratitude. So take some time to be grateful for this moment, be grateful for your breath, be grateful for the running water when you washed your face, your toothbrush, I don't know. Find something to be grateful for this morning and take a moment to really exude that gratitude. You can even state it out loud. I'm grateful for being fully present. I'm grateful for being aware and putting myself on notice to be more and more aware and less unconscious. Breathing in, breathing out. Remember, conscious breathing is a commitment to conscious living. And in this August month of 2025, we're focusing on awareness, being aware, bringing ourselves into awareness, which really happens when we also practice being fully present in the moment and watching the thoughts, paying attention, breathing in, breathing out. So the high-pitched E, the indigo color. Sham, sham. Breathing in and breathing out. Keeping the palms still in that open-handed position, we'll move up to the 7th chakra, which is the crown, and this is the violet, purple amethyst going all the way up to the white light. This is where we start to connect to all life force, to spiritual beings, to heaven's force, to even the galactic awareness. So our crown chakra, as we're concentrating on opening it up and using the exercise sound that helps with that, keeping your spine straight. And imagine, especially when your tone ends, at the end of the tone, to just sort of stay with the vibration and receive back through the palms of your hands, the top of your head, into your aura, into your field, and into your body, a blessing from those higher beings, the angels, the guides, the guardians, the spiritual teachers, the universe itself. Breathing in and out. Focusing on that amethyst to white light, and wah, 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 wah. We go from low to high. Ready? And receiving. Breathing in, getting ready once again. Gradually, I start to turn the palms towards each other or towards my chest, slowly bringing them as I continue to breathe consciously back towards the heart chakra, either in front of it in Anjali Mudra or laying the hands on the chest. Taking a moment to just feel the energy generated by this small exercise. Feeling the alignment of your chakras, red at the base, orange at the navel, yellow at the solar plexus, green at the heart, blue at the throat, indigo at the third eye, and that violet to white light at the crown. The one-syllable Sanskrit mantra for the crown chakra is Om. So we'll tone Om together one time to close the circle today, to seal the practice. And before we do, take a moment to just set your intention for the day. My intention for today is to stay awake and aware, to stay conscious, whatever it might be. To listen deeply inside, breathing in and breathing out. Ready? Om.